Hi guys, welcome back to my channel and Ramadan Mubarak to my YouTube family. So I actually asked you guys before Ramadan what kind of content you all want to see, and some of you were interested in a vlog, but I already have a vlog posted a year back. It's like a day in my life in Ramadan, and my day pretty much looks the same. So please watch that video, and I thought in this video I should share with you what my meal routine and what my workout routine is all about, especially in Ramadan, because it's very different. Our sleeping pattern changes, our meal pattern changes, a lot of things actually change. So I thought it would be fun to share with you what I eat throughout the day in Ramadan. So before I actually start with the video, I want to mention that I am no professional, no dietitian, and not in any means trying to tell you that you should eat this or you should follow my routine. This is just what I do, and yeah, let's get into the video now. So the first meal happens at suhoor. Suhoor is basically like the first meal of our day when we wake up at midnight. So the time is around 4:15. I like to wake up around 30 to 45 minutes prior to suhoor so that I have like plenty of time to calmly eat. So once I wake up, I drink like a cup of hot water. Now hot water has number of benefits to your body. It helps to detox, it helps with your digestion, it helps maintain hydration, and water is my best friend, especially hot water, warm water, if you're looking for weight loss. I've also mentioned this in my last video, the fitness challenge. Drink lots and lots of warm water if you're looking to lose some weight. So along with a cup of water, I like to eat 4 to 5 soaked almonds. Along with that, after 10 minutes, I eat sunny side up. Like I like to eat 2 sunny side up eggs along with 2 rotis. Now some people really like to eat oats and cornflakes. I also tried my hands on eating oats, but to be honest, oats to me, whenever like I eat oats, I tend to feel hungry in 2 hours, and that's not something that will help me last the entire day because I need to fast for 16 hours. So oats didn't work well for me, so I thought I should really stick to rotis and chapatis. After that, I drink half a liter of water, and that water is like normal water. Now that Ramadan is actually in summertime, where a person can actually feel a lot dehydrated, and especially because you're not drinking so much water, you don't have the time because you're fasting. Make sure that you're hydrating enough. I do not like to overeat. I've done that in the past, and that makes me feel so full that I cannot wake up from the bed, not even to read my prayers. So I've decided that I should keep it in a way that I can actually function. And after that, I am awake for about 1.5 hours because I'm praying. Now the entire day during Ramadan, I actually wake up a little late. I wake up at around 1:30 2 p.m. because I sleep at 7, and I usually take like 7 to 8 hours of sleep. I do not sleep in the day. My entire day is very busy, so yeah, I mean, I would suggest you to indulge yourself into some or the other activity. Obviously, you might have had a routine by now. So, moving on to the next meal that happens directly at 7 p.m. The first thing that I eat to break my fast is one date, and then we have like a huge plate of fruits that we all have to complete before we eat anything oily or etc. So I tend to eat a lot of fruits. I love fruits, and I like to fill my stomach as much as I can with the fruits so that I don't jump on these oily things. It is not nice because your body has been hungry, you've been fasting for like hours, so it's not really nice that you fill in so much oil because it's going to react bad to your skin, to your health. So I like to fill my stomach with as much as fruits as I can, and then I drink like half a liter of water again. That's pretty much about it. Sometimes I do cheat and taste things here and there, but that's it. I don't fill my stomach with that. Like I mentioned, my iftar is all about. So after that, after like 1 hour, I work out. Now I usually used to work out also in my daily routine, but this is the very first time that I'm working out in Ramadan. Earlier we used to have our school, college, etc. So we didn't really get time. I used to get tired also. But this time, due to lockdown, thankfully we have a lot of time, and I didn't want to actually cut down on working out because then you kind of lose the habit. and I just wanted to kind of maintain working out, because it also is a very good mood booster for me. It works in so many ways for me and my body. So I work out for about 30-35 minutes. It's not as high intensity that I would do on a regular day, because my body on its own is not feeling at its best, because it's been hungry and then I've ate. So I like to do like very light cardio exercises. I have a couple of YouTube videos that I will be linking down below for you to check out. They're super easy. You just need like 15-20 minutes, and I like to accompany with my sister. Like, I drag her with me and we work out together. And during this entire period of working out, in the middle I kind of keep sipping on water. So I usually drink like 2 glasses of water in this entire period. So after I have worked out, I again start feeling hungry. So what I like to do is I like to cut some salad before my workout, and then I like to freeze it a bit. And then after my workout, I munch on salad after I've taken shower. I munch on my favorite salad, I would say beetroot and carrot, but my mother forces me to have cucumber also. I don't like it. But I think having salad is like a very good source of nutrients. And always eat the raw food before you eat the cooked food. This is like the ultimate policy. So after I eat salad, I again take a break of 1.5 hours, because then I'm praying. So I pray my Isha, I do my Taraweeh, and then obviously the time passes. After that, after like 1.5 hours, I eat my dinner, and that's at 10:30 p.m. I want to actually have something filling, because I've not had it throughout the day. I've eaten fruits, I've eaten salad. Now I need some concrete carbs. So I actually eat like a bowl of rice, and along with that I eat whatever that was cooked in iftar. Now if you see, my plate is full with rice, where I also have one healthy dish and 2 other dishes that my mom has cooked. Not overeating again. And that's about it. My meal pretty much looks like that. And then after 1 hour, I have like the last thing of the day, that is 1 cup of warm water with honey and lemon. Now honey lemon water is so good for your health. Lemon water has actually helped me a lot, because it helps me with weight loss, with hydration, with digestion. It's so good. If you are suffering from constipation, I would really recommend you drinking lemon water before you sleep. It's so good. And yeah, that's pretty much it of what I eat throughout the day. Now please don't judge me, because I upload snaps on my Instagram. People keep DMing me saying, oh my god, how are you even so fit if you eat so much? To be honest, I do not eat everything that I show, and I also work out. So like, there's Instagram and social media is very delusional. So yeah, don't judge people based on their snaps. And this is exactly what I eat and how I work out during Ramadan. If you guys have any questions, you can leave them in the comments below. And I hope you guys found this video helpful, and if you did, please share it with your friends and family. And I would love if you join my family. Follow me on my Instagram. I post a lot of videos that you guys will love binge watching on. And yeah, this is pretty much it. I will see you guys next time, but don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and I love you guys. Bye.